What if using this guitar properly, coupled with breathwork, mindfulness, and awareness of something new, could solve this anxiety problem right now? What if there was nothing to fix? Don't try to fix anything. Try to become aware of what stirs up within you. It's a pretty complex process, so if you get a little uncomfortable, you have options. A, bail out and just pick the guitar. Or B, hang in there. In the depths of my breakthrough, I realized I just had to sit with it. Not go fix anything, not go buy more products, not go see any more specialists. I had to sit with it. And that's not easy, and it could be, I suppose, dangerous if, you need a professional, mental health professional. I'm not a mental health professional. I'm just a guy in a pretty good spot. And I'm trying to share that message with other people who are interested in being calm. Really. All right then, for this pattern, you can use your thumb as your bass note. You're going to use finger number 2, and that's going to be the first finger you use. Then you're going to use finger number 1, and that's the second finger you use. Then you're going to use finger number 3. And that's the last finger you use in this picking pattern. Think of the picking pattern kind of like your fingers are running on a treadmill, I guess. But remember that order. Bass, middle finger, index finger, ring finger. Or bass, 2, 1, 3. All right? So that's the picking pattern. That's also the D Triad. I show exactly how to do the D Triad in a different video. I'll put a link or a card or something to help you find that. 12th fret, put your fingers in like a C position. There's a little more to it than that, but it's a D Triad. When you get that picking pattern down, holy cow, the world of guitar opens up because you can do the finger pattern with your left hand and the picking pattern with your right hand up and down the neck. And you can really get not only lost in space, but you can explore and become more aware of these anxious producing thoughts in your brain. Here's my invitation to you. Just try to pick, breathe, and be more aware. There's nothing to fix, nothing to solve. If you start getting frustrated with the picking pattern, then just use 2 fingers. And then add more to it. I'll try to zoom in here and show you what I mean. We'll start here. Bass 2, 1, bass 2, 1, bass 2, 1. Then add the 3. To really add the cherry on top, I'm going to add my pinky here when I hit the 3 over here. Check this out. Oh no, I missed it. So let's try that again. Already I can sense a little anxiousness starting to creep into my stomach. That happened because I started to think. And what I was thinking about was how to switch to the next chord. That's the root of anxiety in many ways, is thinking about what's going to happen next. Guess what? Good things are going to happen next. Rewire that thought in your brain while you're doing this pattern. If you start to think about stuff and get anxious, breathe in and tell yourself this. Maybe good things are coming. And while we do that, I'm going to use the same pattern and I'm going to jump up 2 frets, 2 frets, 2 frets, 2 frets. I'm going to come back to my anchor. My anchor is the 12th fret. Breathe. Be good to yourself. What if good things are on the horizon? It's beautiful. Take your time. Be good to yourself. And don't mind that crashing sound I heard on the ceiling. That's just my cat trying to get our attention. Be well. Subscribe for more. Leave comments so I kind of know what my next move could be. Trying to be helpful, that's all. There's free stuff in the description. There's like a 7-day reset. I've got some eBooks, courses. Those are free. Just looking for feedback, you know what I mean? Like reviews, testimonials. Remember, I'm not a medical professional, so use this at your own risk. But in the same breath, know that good things are all around us. It's just a matter of not trying to fix them. Just be aware. See you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.